Should anything happens, we are not looking into how much you paid to us.
Okay.
When death occurs, we'll pay the much you wanted to get at the 10 years from now.
Okay.
When injury comes as a result of an accident, we don't look at the premiums, but we pay. Tiana flyers.
Yes, I've seen that. I've been given a lot of them.
Immediately you're given a flyer, what do you do?
Easily dispense it or discard it or something.
Immediately, hata utembeange nayo pale. And when you are stopped by a very nice lady, akakusimamisha, hey, excuse me, how you suggest us?
Consider.
Because even me, the other time, my daughter just finished school the other day. Mm-hmm. I was trying to lure her to go come and do insurance. Family. Truly speaking.
Yes.
What you are saying, even family members.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Wabs once again. And as always, I've always given you a strong promise that I give you the best. And the best is what we do here. So today, like I always source for the best intellectual infrastructures in the country in order for them to give you information about everything. And as you know it, my bias is on leadership and governance. And today I welcome my esteemed guest to whom I hold to the utmost esteem, Mr. Sauti, who is the unit manager at CIC Insurance. Mr. Sauti, welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, today I'm hopeful for that we're going to have a great conversation to educate our audience about matters insurance. First of all, let's start by maybe you walking us through who is Sauti.
Oh, thank you very much, Justus, for welcoming me here.
Yes.
Yeah. Personally, myself, I'm Sauti Maliki. I've been in the insurance industry for quite some time.
Sure.
For a span of around 20 years.
That's a long time.
For that 20 years, I've managed to gather a lot. I have a bit of experience in the insurance industry.
Yes.
But I so happen that if I dispense the same knowledge to people,
yes,
it might be of use and of help to them.
Absolutely.
Insurance is wide. Me personally, I'm in the line of life business.
Life business.
Life business, these are long-term kind of insurance.
Okay, what is life business?
Life business, yes. Life business is, they have a period of time. You invest your money with a particular insurance company. And that's we normally encourage people to come to CIC, but you can so choose any brand that you so wish to be. So life insurance, these are products that goes for long term. They go for long term in the sense that you have to invest for a period of not less than 10 years and above. If you do for that period of time, we call them life at the same time just because of one thing. We also insure you financially. Financially in the sense that if you happen not to get any uncertainty in terms of death, in terms of the injury happening to you, we come in compensation financially. We don't bring back life, but you are maybe a breadwinner to some family somewhere.
Yeah.
And whatever you are providing to them financially is cut short as a result of an accident, incapacitating you. As a result of death, you are no more.
Yes.
There's a life cut short, there's an income cut short somewhere.
Yes.
The people who are depending on you are no longer. They will no longer depend on you. Being that they will not now receive whatever the little they were getting from you. Now that's where insurance comes in.
Is it predictable that if at all what I used to dispense to my loved ones each and every month is 100,000, then the insurance come and fit into the 100,000 so that my loved ones never lack? Does it translate like that?
No.
Okay, how does it work?
Yes. Now to that case, now we come back down to you again. If any case you want us to bring back the same financial status that you were
Yes.
to your families,
Yes.
now we sit down with you.
Yes.
We come tell you now, Justice, there's what we call a premium to pay. This premium normally buys something again from us as an insurance company called sum assured. The premium is the monthly contribution that you'll be doing on every month. But then how do we arrive on your monthly contribution? Now this will depend on your age and what you are comfortable to pay.
Okay. Why your age?
Age, we normally, there's somebody called an actuary. Actuarial, they normally come from the actuarial science that you normally see people go for in the university.
Yes.
The actuarial science is somebody who goes there to learn. I'm living today. What will be the life in the next coming 10 years?
Okay.
The actuarial person will bring me the rate that the 2,000, 3,000 now. Will it be the same as the 2,000, 3,000 in the next coming 10 years? That's why now the age comes from.
So they predict inflation.
They predict the inflation there. Now that's why now I sit with you down here, and then I have to tell you like, okay, Justice, for me to give you back the same finance status benefits that you want to your family.
Yes.
You have to pay this particular premium.
Okay.
The younger the person, the better.
Okay.
The less premium.
The less amount you pay.
The older the person, the more premium.
But you might be old but healthy and strong. So what about that? The health status also.
Regardless of your health status, we doesn't look into that.
What about if you are young and you have certain underlying medical conditions?
We doesn't now look into that.
We also don't look
now when we come to rates, so now we doesn't come to the issue of health status.
Okay.
It's just about the age and the premium that you are comfortable to pay.
Okay.
Only that is what will arrive to what we call the rate.
Yes, because if at all I'm at stage 4 of cancer,
yes,
and I'm earning 1.2 million,
yes,
I've been supporting my family with half of that.
Yes.
And,
which is 600,000.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if at all my demand seems to be more predictable, so I'm still paying the same, and yet I'm a young person,
yes,
but at stage 4 of cancer.
Yes.
Do you guys look at that as well?
There is a stage that we normally again request you as our clients to go for medical examination. This is a situation whereby you come to us today because insurance is one thing. Is that if you get into this contract today, the contract begins. Should anything happens, we are not looking into how much you paid to us.
Okay.
When death occurs, we'll pay the much you wanted to get at the 10 years from now.
Okay.
When injury comes as a result of an accident, we don't look at the premiums, but we pay.
Okay.
So we don't look into that. But when you come to us, you want us to pay a particular sum assured, and you are just paying us one particular premium, we have to subject you to medical. These are premium, we normally call them sum assured from our side. Your premium buys you what we call a sum assured. A sum assured ranging from 4 million, 5 million, we subject you to sum assured, to medical examination.
Okay.
But a sum assured ranging from 3 million, 2 million, coming downwards, we don't subject you to medical. But in our forms, we normally have what we call medical questionnaire.
Okay.
If you happen to answer any medical question, yes, you shall go for medical examination.
So for this particular medical examination that you're going, it is discretionary to the insurance company, or I'm going to my own doctor? Or as in, how does it work with the insurance companies that they make that determination?
Good question. That one is at our discretion.
Okay.
We are the people to send you to our medical person, a medical doctor, examines you, but it will remain confidential between our doctor and our company. But if you happen upon a request, we shall provide.
Also, you can share with me whatever you and your doctors have actually seen.
Exactly.
So, being that I had consented for for the same.
Yes. But then again, it's upon your consent. Because if you happen like I don't want medical examination, there's what we call loading. You are paying 10,000 for a sum assured of, let's say, a particular sum assured, 10,000 in terms of premium, particular sum assured, and you are refusing to go for medical. We are requesting you go so that we issue the policy, and you don't want, we load. Instead of 10,000, the sum assured remains the same, but we give you more premiums.
Okay.
Instead
so
of 10,000,
risk.
Increases your sum assured, your premium, so that to cover for the uncertainty, but the sum assured remains the same.
Is that medical report subject to contest? Let's say, for example, if at all I asked in kind for yourself to share whatever your doctors gotten from the medical examination that I attended,
yes,
and I feel otherwise that whatever you guys are talking about is actually not the real thing. So can I contest it? Can I appeal? And how does the space work?
You can, but we shall request that you bring yours so that we compare with what we have.
Comparison.
Yes.
Also, you're just told to go for your exclusive examination, then we can do
we compare.
Comparison.
Exactly.
Okay. So I try just work at the difference between life insurance and life assurance. I think so many people seem to confuse the two.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now that one I'll bring you back again. Then insurance and assurance are two different things. And that's why I, from the beginning at the inception, I started the word with this long term and short term. And that's why at the beginning I told you there's insurance is into three.
It appears in three categories.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's now where I belong.
Yes.
There's general and there's medical.
Okay.
So when we call insurance and assurance, insurance is whereby you are insuring on a circumstance. You are insuring on a circumstance that might
or might not happen.
Or might not happen.
Yes.
Assurance, you are insuring a circumstance that has to happen.
Like death now.
Death now.
Oh, okay.
That is life insurance. But then insurance might or might not.
Okay.
That's now where we find medical, many general business, motor, and burglary. Because before you come for tenants of this building, fire and burglary has to be there.
Absolutely.
Yes, there's so many under general business for this one. There's Weber, workman compensations. Under general, we have so many.
Okay.
But under life now we have limited. Now under life we have SICAM, asset management, money market. You've heard about them. Those are under life now.
Okay.
Pure investment.
Okay. So the issues of okay. Apart from that, I would want to know whether life assurance also covers areas of act of God and natural calamities, etc.
Oh, good. That one now falls under insurance. The acts of God, in that you are insuring should earthquake hits this building, such like this one as under general, but they're not covered. Upon your request is when we can bring it.
Okay.
This building is insured under fire and burglary.
Okay.
But there's a time fire can come just because the result of the fire is of earthquake or whichever. But that one, upon your request, you as a client, we shall involve it. Yes. But when it comes, we normally have in fact, under general, whenever you want to insure something, there are what we call exclusions.
Okay.
We are insuring you on this, but this one, no. That's why you normally find that when we have issued the contract, it's on moving. And something cause of the destruction of that particular building or item is different from what we had insured. Now, that's where you find that we don't pay that claim.
Okay.
Because you didn't declare something. Like if you want to come for general business, fire and burglary for this building, we will ask, is it fitted with the CCTV camera? You tell yes or no. Is it fitted with do you have some soldier security here in this particular building? You have to tell us yes or no. Okay, alarm, yeah, you have to let us know. Should it happen that by the time the cause of destruction or for that particular item comes, we normally send our investigators.
Okay.
And they come and find that it was not there. One of the things that you had so said at the inception, at the beginning, by the time we were filling the form.
Yes, if you said there was CCTV cameras now, there is a robbery, and eventually there is no CCTV.
There's no CCTV.
Okay.
So you subject us to pay the claim upon your negligence.
That could have been avoided.
Yes.
Okay.
That could have been avoided too. Yes. So that's how we normally treat insurance when it comes to other things. So the act of God, to sum up, upon your request, is also like we normally consider it, but upon your client's request, in that let's do this. Also, like motor vehicle. Whenever we insure a motor vehicle, there's these strikes that normally happen, riots. Riots are always not included in a comprehensive motor insurance. But the client can come and request.
Riots that during Mandamano.
Yes. So you didn't include it in the insurance, in the cover.
But it's there in your form and drop down where you can.
Then you drop, you say, me, I don't work with my vehicle anyhow. So the riots and what?
That's what we not pay.
Yeah,
now there's a riot again. These people break into your neighborhood and eventually.
And you are affected. Immediately you're affected, you'll come to us like legally, like, why can't you insurance pay me because this one happened? And you're looking at the time of the contract when you wanted to start the contract, you dropped it. So that's why now we decline paying your claim.
Now, with these rains that have taken and brought Nairobi to standstill at some point, the heavy rains, and we saw some vehicles being wiped off.
Yes.
It is I've gotten from certain sources that majority of the insurances refused to pay them. Why? Yet a majority of them covered under insurance.
Yeah, just as it is true, because they are not forming the part and parcel of the contract. Where you find that water, whatever was happening, is not part and parcel of the contract. Even we normally issue what we call a policy document. This policy document we normally request you as a client, you read it, we normally give you 30 days, go through it.
Go through it slowly.
Go through it. If any case you so like, involve your lawyer. Go through it properly. 30 good days are enough for you to have consumed the whole contract.
Okay.
The blueprints maybe, if any case they are there, I'm there to come and simplify for you so that you understand. Yes. Yeah, if you so wish, yes.
Okay.
But then to this case, you ignored. You just come at time of claim.
Yes.
You want us now to maybe first, so you'll start by like you want us to explain the contract at the time of claim. Something that you could have done before even you can keep it somewhere. You want us to explain the contract at the time of
at the same time we are claiming.
Yes.
You also want to understand the same document.
Yes. So that's why you find that now you will take us on the wrong.
Yeah, sure.
But yet we are not.
Yeah.
We are human beings. Having thrown we normally send it to your email. So I've gotten, just call even the company. We are even ready to go where you are. Come explain for me, this one I took, this one. It's a good contract, it's a contract. And you know the issue of contracts.
Yes.
This is a contract, I'm beginning this contract, this is the first month going forward.
Okay.
Yeah, explain to me, I'm not getting this one.
Yes.
I'm not understanding this one. I'm not understanding.
It's not clear. What does this mean?
What does this one? I'll take
with the technical terms that insurance is used.
Yes.
Because also those agreements are written by your advocates.
Exactly.
Some of them are using funny jargons.
Yes. Yeah. I'll take my time to explain all that.
Okay.
By the time I tell, in fact, immediately I leave. Should it happen, and we normally advise, should it happen, you are not getting it right from the word go. 30 days, cancel the contract. If you don't want, we refund the money. But if you assume, we send you the contract and you assume, and the contract where the 30 days elapses,
yes,
we assume you've accepted the terms and conditions of the contract.
yes.
Immediately after the lapse of, we've sent to you to your email. Maybe you've seen it, either the contract, yes, and then maybe you ignore, you didn't go through it, you didn't even call me. Yeah?
But then sometimes those items are so wordy,
Yes.
are so wordy to the extent, and maybe they made like that deliberate in order for, because I think it is mentioned, I can't remember who said it, but somebody said that if you wanted to hide something from an African man, put it in the book.
In the book.
So in the book will not necessarily mean the stationery. It will mean that write it somewhere, but as long as it's written, the black man don't have so much time to read.
True. And then, you are right. What you are saying, even me personally, where I am, I normally read the whole of this book.
Yes.
But you know, there's some, the book have segments. There's chapter, there's introduction, there is the context, the chapter 1, 2, 3, up to 10.
A synopsis of exactly what is covered in the entire book.
Exactly, yeah.
Yes.
Ignore these other chapters. Go to the main place that you might so that is binding you between you and me.
Yes.
This is now the part. And even if I come to you, I'll not explain everything. I just go straight away. This now that what is binding me between Jackson and Sauti.
Okay.
Sauti, let me understand. The Constitution, we normally in the Constitution, lawyers, we have lawyers who understand the whole Constitution. That's why you find that there are those that normally go with it.
You can't be an expert in everything. Constitutional lawyers. Still, be either a criminal lawyer, might be a family law.
Yeah. So that's why.
So it is not by design that you make it so wordy that a common person will not want to go through so much on that.
No. We don't want to. In fact, we don't. These other ones, they are always not for the human consumption. Yeah, what we are always after is just what is binding you. Really, these other ones, maybe at your own free time.
Yeah.
You can
so which
down.
part is of that claim form or that form of initiating somebody into that agreement that is of essence and of utmost importance that somebody must look at?
Yes. This is where now the place that states the premium that you paid. Out of the premium that you paid, what are the benefits and what am I covered on?
Yes.
In that, what you are covered, we normally state there. We normally, in our terms, we call it preamble section.
Yes.
In that kind of section, we immediately quote something, we'll refer you to, in the same contract, go in a particular place, read. And that benefit will refer you back, okay, I'm covered under maybe 500,000, and this 500,000, the compensation comes. But what are them? We'll refer you again to something inside the contract. You go there, you read, then you come back and continue.
So is it labeled or is it somewhere? Because I believe that maybe it is a standard template amongst all the insurance companies that they may be having the bulk of the narratives in that form, but that what binds yourself as the consumer and the insurance company might be so standard. What is the title? Is it a declaration? Is it what?
In fact, it's kind of a declaration. Though the declaration is on proposal form. This is not a declaration.
Okay.
It's just, I can put it, the first page, the preamble part of the contract. The beginning, immediately open the contract. The first, it's like an introduction of that particular contract. The introduction part of it, it will contain your details, just as so and so, box number, telephone number, policy number is also indicated there. And now the benefits. premium payments this, the contract is for this period, you are sum assured or whichever the amount, because even the car, there's what we call now sum assured to it. That is what now the value of the car. And you are paying this particular premium of 30,000-40,000, but your value of car is this. We do have people who normally go to the marketing in the golf clubs. Kutana na unajua wale ni wazuri. Do you know the way you people run from us?
Yes.
Wale nayo kimapproach atataka kusikia what is it that this person have.
Yes. So does it only apply to the influence and maybe the elite?
Knowledge, and then maybe you can say composure, maybe know how, you know. Yeah, mtu wa Kayole, mtu wa enda tu kuanzia moja hapo ukirudi huko juu. Ukisimamisha mtu ndio atakuwa busy, anaenda pale, but atataka kujua ni nini unamtakia. Why are you? Lakini enda huko wewe ni mwizi. Atakuangalia mpaka angalia dressing code nini isn't it? So the information that these people have is ni wale wenye at least the understanding is a bit different from us. So the insurance penetration is too low just because the information in third world countries. Third world country, it was, and even the coming of insurance in the world, it was as a result of some two, I understand, ship, the history. So it was loss of goods when they were bringing goods to African countries. So when one could lose goods, inachukua muda for this person to come. Sasa kurudi ndio aanze tena biashara na mali imepotea, imekuwa drowned. So that's why they came together, wakasema bwana, tuungane in that mmoja wetu akipoteza mizigo tunamuinua so that tuendelee. What Oria normally does.
I think the Somalis are doing it nice.
Yes.
They have a lot of unity.
Unity. That's now the beginning of the insurance. So ikakuja wale walielewa, developed countries walielewa tofauti. Sema yenyewe we just people, I think there's a lot of poverty in us. Sasa nikiambianga mtu bwana ukiingia anza na kusave in insurance long term. Part with your 2K. Mimi ningeanza pale my premium ya 1 million ingekuwa 500 or 1000.
Yes.
Ningeingia wakati wenye nilikuwa like wakati wenye nilianza insurance. Saa hii if I meet a guy nimwambie bwana weka 2000. Na weka long term ikuwe ni 10 20 years. Na usahau. Itakuja kurip. Ataona 20 years from now.
What benefit is anticipated by that?
By that. Alafu nakuja namwambia ushapigia administration gapi tangu uzaliwe? Maybe ananiambia administration moja, maybe ya Uhuru peke yake. Uhuru aliserve how many years? 10 years. Ingekuwa ulichukua policy ya 10 years, ungekuwa na rip sana. Nana Jackson ni maisha, lakini ni vile tu understanding ndio inakuanga tu kwa watu hawaelewi. Because mimi nishapiga administration tatu. In insurance we have one thing, the longer the period, the more benefits you get.
Yes.
Ukichukua policy ya 2020 years from now, maturity yake ni 2 million, 3 million.
That's how much?
2,000. Depending with the age. Somebody who is 25 sahi, achukue policy ya 2,000. Hii policy na mature ongeza 20 years. 25, 20 plus 20 years. Hii policy na mature at what age? 45.
45?
Yes, 45. 45, the policy matures. In our place, the longer the period, the more benefits you get on a policy.
Okay.
There's a possibility of this guy living up to 45 years compared to me another 25 years. Another 20 years. Mimi nikiongeza another 20 years from now, I'll be around 70, 80. Mimi sasa naelekea 50.
Okay.
Add me another 20 years. How will be my energy of looking for money when I'm 70 na huyu mwenye ako 20 at 45? Na saa hiyo maybe hata kama hana na alikuwa na save hii 2k at 45 ako na mita zake 2-3. It will make a difference
And the cost of inflation.
By that particular time, even now, mimi nikicompare, ningechukua hata 2 million will have some significance in life, or 3 million or 4 million, whichever. In that time, itakuwa na maana kidogo. Yes, itakuwa na maana because our time of living, Kayole plots were going like there's Kwangundo huko zinaenda saa.
Even in Kayole itself, 70,000, 80,000, 100,000. Right now, there are 5 million.
Saa hii ambia mtu aenda nunue plot Isinya, atakwambia Isinya yote, mimi niende Isinya.
Yes.
Not knowing in the next coming 5-10 years, Isinya will be the town of the place.
Sasa nakwambia huko ni mbali. Sasa unauliza ni mbali na kwa landlord ama ni mbali?
So the understanding
ni mbali sana na landlord.
Yes. Hebu mwalimu. In fact hata unaweza kuwa Ocha na uko na plot Isinya na utoke huko kujo dai pesa huko.
Yeah, sure. So landlord anaishi hapa, mimi nafaa pia kuishi tu.
Hivyo ndio vile watu wanataka.
Yeah.
So that's the understanding and the information that we have in African countries is what is affecting us in getting these things. So that's why you normally see like we have to push, and if some other good company kama unaona CEC billboards everywhere. The person mwenye ataona billboard CEC hii tuna beautify billboard in that ukikuwa hata kwa ofisi sisi tunakuanga na walk-ins wengi sana. Walk-in kwa ofisi nao wanajua sasa CEC stability. What normally became a Karibu insurance was claim. During the time hapo nyuma claim ilikuwa ni ngumu kupata. Una push mpaka mna involve lawyers. But now the being IRS our regulator, I hope you know that.
Yeah, I know.
Banks are for central bank. SASRA is for SACCOs. We are IRA. IRA has simplified everything in that.
That's insurance regulatory authorities.
Yes, that's our regulator now. Okay. Like banks, CBK. So walikuja wakasimplify wakaweka insurance company to task so that they can pay the claims. This has brought in the name. That's why you are seeing up to a level of like 6%, 10%. Currently the population, 10% of Kenyan population, they understand what insurance is, regardless of the long term and everything. Yes.
So affluent and the elite part of this society are more pro insurance as opposed to us from the hoods down over here. What do you think should be done? We introduce this thing to school. What should be done as in all this in order for us to have this information with our population to have this information and then to transform from being anti-insurance to pro-insurance?
Yes, we've in the industry we came to find that the dispensation of this information is good when you have more manpower. Yes, more manpower in the sense that we've tried the media is not bringing out the information down.
Well, like creating the awareness through media.
Through media.
Okay.
It's not all that good. IRA, AKI, Association of Kenyan Insurers have also tried to so that the information can reach that person down there, but it has never worked out properly. So we've challenged the companies in that if any case they can bring more people on board. In fact, they listened to us up to an extent of the introduced. You know, before you become a person to do insurance, you have to be licensed by IRA. Nowadays, they are giving this certificate almost like free of charge. Because they give you an ECOP kind of training, executive certificate of proficiency. So that by the time you do this, you are ready to go and dispense this information down there. The minimum recruitment of this particular person is a D+.
That's the minimum requirement.
That's the
a D+.
A D+.
That's maybe 70% of our population now.
Exactly. Now that's where I'm coming from. Now, if you do that a D+, you come, we give you the knowledge.
Yes.
This D plus person, if we take this person back to the community, this person will do it better than the degree person and this other person.
Why?
A D plus person, we normally presume the needs are small, and we find that this person, having not spent a lot in the acquiring the knowledge, because you find that a degree person and a diploma person, these people have used a lot of money and even time to acquire the knowledge.
On insurance or on even other matters?
In other matters even.
Okay.
Because even
so
if you
have skills elsewhere.
Yes, even if you have other skills somewhere, we shall subject you to this one.
Yes.
So that's why we narrowed it down so that a D plus can all. But if you have a diploma degree, the best to you. But then you find a D plus person going back to the community that I have this knowledge also at the same time, and the requirement for me to get my pay home, also feed myself and even the other families, I have to dispense this information to you as the community. This person will do it better than a degree or diploma person up here. Diploma person will find it hard to go back to the community to do it. And then this D plus person will be like, hiyo tu. Mkienda nyinyi mko wangapi? Mko watu 10. Twende wapi? Twende Kawangware. Yes. Nyinyi be branded. A human being normally advertises better than a billboard.
Yeah.
Normally we call it a moving billboard. The kind of feeling nitaichukulia more itaniingia than when a human being comes to explain to me than me explaining to myself by myself just because I've read it on a billboard.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I've seen this particular scenario whereby mtu anasimama hapa kwa njia anapatiana flyers.
Yes, I've seen that. I've been given a lot of them.
Immediately you're given a flyer, what do you do?
Actually, dispense it on this card or something.
Immediately, hata utembeange nayo pale. And when you are stopped by a very nice lady, akakusimamisha, hey, excuse me, how you suggest
to consider.
Isn't it? So that's why we normally, so dispensing insurance, we have gone to an extent of, we have done. We recruit them, minimum requirement D plus. When you get your D plus, we take you through trainings. There's trainings that we normally give you, so that our brand can stick with your mind.
Yes.
In that when you go out there, you talk about insurance as at large, but through CIC.
Okay.
CIC as a brand, we brand you maybe a t-shirt or a cape or whichever. Then we say, go tell them about insurance. Insurance is good. So we normally try to give them, our training takes about 1 week, but we continue so that it can, you internalize it into you, in that by the time you go there, at least you tell this particular Mama Mboga, somebody, even you affluent, maybe they can listen to you, and then packaging yourself.
Okay.
Package yourself.
In terms of dress codes.
Dress code.
Get people who are good in their lingua, diction.
Yes. And even the knowledge. So it's part and parcel of the package. Because if you are not knowledgeable towards something, even if you are
all those products.
Exactly.
Only the life assurance only.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes. So unaweza kuwa uko smart lakini hapa bado haiko poa. So hapo we have to make sure tumepump. Now CIC as a CIC, there are trainings Tuesday to have a training. Countrywide online. Countrywide. Or Thursdays training countrywide, and we force you.
Okay. As once you are a member of staff in insurance, you have to go through those thorough training.
Exactly.
From time to time.
Yes.
Okay.
So 1 day, 2 days training, we will not assume ya kwamba imekuingia. That's why we do it. Up to now, mimi na trainiwa. Regardless of the knowledge niko nayo, which is good because saa zingine the world is transiting. Transition yenye iko saa hii, unajua hata hii phone saa hii tuko na better than this one.
Yeah, sure.
So that transition makes us like do the trainings. And it has made us so that we dispense. So the dispensation of insurance to the uko nje, vile nimekuambia, it used to be 4% knowledge about insurance, but sasa ime increase kidogo to around 8. That is the population of Kenya.
Okay.
To around 8 to 10. But the people to do it better ni human being, and human being tunataka manpower.
Okay. Mnataka power ama mnataka
manpower? Tunataka power. Sasa that is what we believed into, that it will take the message.
Why can't this insurance be introduced to kids in school? Kids in school.
In school,
yes.
There are topics in schools, but we don't start from the primary level.
Because if a lot of kids grow knowing importance of insurance, these things, otherwise we're being taught CRE and IRE that might not contribute directly to the growth of our economy and our. Yet some of these important things like money, insurance, investment, those things, are they not subjects in our schools?
Yeah, but they've started not even secondary level, by the way. They just start at the university level.
How many people go to the university now?
Yeah.
So it means that this information is being hidden intentionally.
That's maybe I pick it from you now, feedback also to
my people. Take to your people and tell them that this thing needs to start from somewhere.
So junior, secondary, like currently senior secondary.
Because if you stop me on the street and I already know what insurance is, it's easier for me to listen. Because I already know the importance. I don't know, maybe we can now start talking about the products. But I'm already aware of what insurance is.
In fact, to me, I would also, there is one word, they should start by familiarizing people with the word insurance. Because tunafukuzwa wanatukimbianga. Mimi leo nasema tu insurance. Insurance. Hey, when insurance, from that word only, if they can start explaining the word insurance to that kid, in that insurance is not bought, it is sold. What wants to buy the word insurance? By the time they start buying the word insurance, so we sell, but we force so that people can. Because almost as long as get to insurance,
I love this is another narrative that people in the insurance are not earning well. Like if you told me for me to allow my kid to go and play football, with the chances of success being between being that low, I will not want my kids to go and play football. I want them to soma banaacha mchezo. You see, so if at all we are seeing what insurance, most of them with some suits that you see, for you are appearing so well and well polished, and I believe that it took you so long to get to where you are.
True.
You are young. The young people in their young careers might not be looking like as sharp as you are.
True, because even me the other time, my daughter just finished school the other day. I was trying to lure her to come and do insurance. Alikata. Alikata, truly speaking.
Yes.
What you are saying, even family members wanasemanga insurance. So even me at one point, my mom told me, "Ebu acha hiyo kazi, tafuta kazi." What you are saying is true.
Yes.
And that's why unaona ya kwamba we are looking for determine D plus so that wakuje wapatie information the absolute people. Wenye wanaelewa sasa ndio hao wakubwa, wenye wanaona hao wenye na point. Ule mtu aelewi. So unapata ndio ukuje waambie ule mtu aelewe. So unaona hata mimi my daughter mpaka sasa hivi baada hajadi amini. Na ni course yenye namwambia tu ukifanya hii course I know what is that. Utaomoka. Lakini ndio nimconvince. Sasa sijui. Nimemsomesha through it na nilipia by the way, truly repeating. Na kwa nyumba mpaka sasa hivi amefanya computer from there ameamua kwenda Catholic University anataka IT. Okay, sawa. Mamake, so umesikia mamangu pia alikuja at one point hivyo.
Kasema kijana utakufia kwa hivyo.
Uachane na insurance. Nasema okay. Kama wale ndio wanaiona. Unaona hiyo perception? Tayari ndio hiyo perception tunatoa to the public. Tayari na hiyo perception ilikuwa just because wanasema insurance hailipi. Sasa hiyo insurance ndio naona IRA. Association of Kenya Insurance. IRA na AKI, they are two different things. AKI ni association ya insurance companies. IRA ni regulator tu kama central bank. Ndio wakasema wasensitize this information ingie kwa watu. Insurance is good. Insurance is paying. Insurance is what? Before you come to that level, inachukuanga muda kidogo. When it comes to payment yake,
yes.
Sasa hapo ndio tunasemanga inatakananga kabidi kidogo. Na ukuwe determined to reach particular goals. We normally set goals. Wewe ukinikataa Jackson CAT atanikataa. And we are 56 million Kenyans. You might not be in a position to absorb the insurance. But maybe because maybe somewhere, maybe you are busy. But given time for you to give me time to sit down like this, maybe hiyo time ndio haijafika. Sasa zile utanipatia time ndio nipatiane this kind of knowledge. Ndio uelewe, ndio sema there is some meaning for me to have insurance. That is now the limited time that normal people have. As we normally give, there was some kunyang'anywa insurance companies walikuwa wananyang'anywa pesa na kuja tunawapatia retainer. Our insurance companies normally they don't want to employ on salary, sales people on salary. Hawatauza. They not go out there wafanye hii kazi. But if you give them on a commission, watafanya. There is a retainer, alafu nakupega on commission. Now determination. Kuna pesa rahisi. The determination, the goals that you want to meet. The goodness with insurance is about numbers. Out of 56 million Kenyans, nimekuambia only 10% is tapped.
The market is still wide.
Very big. Very big. And we are employing. Now we have different kind of businesses. Kuna direct debit, kuna check off, kuna
standing orders.
Yes. Check off employment ziko zinafanya daily. Hata leo utapata juzi prison officers wameongeza mshahara. Sasa zile kuna dispensable income kama hiyo, hata fikiria kufanya
nini kumisa that time.
Sasa sisi tunamwambia hapana, chukua 12,000. Employment definitely ukiwa kwa employment kama ile ya government, definitely retirement age yako. Sasa hiyo umekupatia kazi at 25. Na wale watakufuta immediately, not unless ujifute. Ukiwa umeingia kwa government employment kama hiyo, national government sana. Government haiwezi kuandika leo na wakufuta kesho, not unless ujifute. Sasa kwa hii pesa yako hii, hujakuwa na commitments mingi. Just take some 2,000 itupe. As in this financial sector, tunasemanga pesa ya deduction kwa hii payslip ndio pesa yako. Hii ingine ni mingi, lakini the next kabla hata mwezi jaisha, ishaenda yote. Utarudi kwa consolation kwa hii slip ukiangalia eti umekaa. Deduction part pale unasema yenyewe, lakini kuna kapesa kalienda CIC 2K. Pale hivyo umelipa rent, imeisha, umelipa food, imeisha, umelipa school fees. Hiyo pesa utaona imeenda kwa mkono mwingine. Lakini hii nyingine yenye imeenda pale CIC ni yako bado iko. Hebu niambie kama utakuwa kwa hiyo employment yote mpaka retirement age. Which is almost 20 to 30 years. It will have of meaning, 2K will be of meaning than the 100,000 that you normally spend. That's true. Yes.
As we are winding up, I know we have a lot of things for us to talk in this space, and I will still invite you here over and again in order for us to maybe, for the benefit of our viewers, be able to look into all these matters. As we're winding up, I want you to tell us what happens when you default. You see, you've now been contributing and all that, and now got to a point whereby you've defaulted, either intentionally or not. But how do the insurance company deals with defaults?
Good. And circumstances also forces somebody to
Yes,
default.
yes.
Good. Now there's categories. I check off the three business kind of categories in the insurance. There's direct debit that comes from bank to bank. There is M-Pesa that you pay through your mobile phone, and there's check off that we deduct from your salary.
Sure.
The check off one, the possibility of defaulting is not all that high compared to these other ones.
Yes.
But should it happen, you've defaulted.
Yes.
There's a grace period we normally give
Before you forfeit, or
before you forfeit. Before now, the policy what we call lapses.
okay.
We give you 3 months. We didn't receive your premium in the month of April. When we don't get your month of April, we give you 3 months from now. That is April, May, June, up to July. If we don't receive your pay in the month of July, we will communicate. But if you don't communicate back, the policy lapses.
So what communication will you be making at that point?
Email.
Oh no, yes, those are avenues, but what is it that you'll be communicating through avenues?
Your policy is in arrears of this much. Kindly or top up so that it will remain active.
Okay.
We'll send you that kind of message.
Yes.
Yes. When we send you, we can say you can just bring one to make it active. One premium. You're paying 3,000, just bring 3,000. Don't pay all the arrears.
Yeah, to activate for how long?
To activate for another 3 months.
Okay.
For another 3 months.
So it means that at that time, should anything happen within that period of time, you're covered.
You are covered.
Okay, despite the fact that you've defaulted, it is still active.
It is active.
Okay.
But should you maybe a claim arises, I will subject you to pay the arrears for us
First.
Yes.
Okay.
But if you happen you're not ready to maybe raise that amount, we raise the claim and then we deduct
from
the premium.
That's even better.
Yes.
Okay.
What happens? That's the question. Number one, the policy will lapse if we go more than 3 months. Number two, paid up policy. Put your policy under what we call a paid up policy, standstill. You will come back to pick it where you left. Or wait for the policy to go up there, like ours goes 2 years, so that you surrender.
Repeat that. Come again.
You paid for 1 year.
Yes.
Or 6 months, let me put it.
Yes. In a policy that's supposed to last for how long?
For 10 years.
10 years, yes.
And you paid for 6 months.
Yes.
Upon reaching sixth month, you defaulted in terms of maybe a financial constraint.
Yes.
Come to us, say to us the reasons, put your policy under paid up. Simamisha payment. We call it paid up.
Okay.
Paid up in the sense that when time, maybe your situation improves financially, and you can start from where you left.
Okay.
But then, in the insurance industry, a policy has to go for 36 months for you to surrender. But if it did happen that financial constraint comes before 36 months, put under paid up, leave it to go up to 36 months, surrender it by then.
Okay.
Sure. Or you leave the policy paid up so that the policy goes up to maturity to the period that you wanted at a reduced premium.
Just wish you maybe to just take your camera and say something to your target audience.
Always, wherever you are approached by an insurance person, try as much as you can to get the knowledge and the information before you engage yourself in any contract from an insurance company. That one will make you benefit a lot out of it, and that will lead you to you having the right proceeds from any insurance contracts. From me, I encourage you get the information and also try to take this product from the insurance companies so that you can be able to benefit out of them. Don't fear. So for today, Justus, I'm grateful. And if you invite me, I'll come back to give the information still to the people.
Thank you so much, and may God bless you.
Thank you
so
very much.
Okay.